My name is Zain. I am in 6th grade at Ophia Middle School, and I will be participating in the Science STEM Fair in my district. And so what my project is how far the ball travels depending on how much air is in the ball. So some of the things I'm going to be controlling is like how much air is in the ball, and also like I'll be measuring how far the ball goes. Um, and I hope to do at least like 15 trials for each time we kick the ball. So yeah. So now I'm going to be introducing to you the main tools that I'm going to be using for my science project. So here's the distance meter, and this is good. We're going to be measuring how far the ball goes with this. So you press this red button right here, and you press it again and point it at something to see how far it is from you. Press it again to see how far it is. So here it says 1.515 meters away from me. Here is the air pressure gauge, the pumper, and the releaser, all in one thing. So here is this part is the thing that we're going to be releasing and pumping the air into, and here is the gauge that we're going to be using. Over here on my computer is the Google spreadsheet that we're going to be using to graph my data on for my project. So I'm going to walk over here to introduce to you the kicker. So I'm going to be using this for my project. So here's the leg and here's the stand. So you put it on here, and you match it up with this black tape, and this tape is the angle that we're going to be using for the leg. And then you let it go, and then it kicks the ball for you. Here is the ball that we're going to be using for the science project. So here we have my ball. It's currently at 20 PSI. For each time we change the PSI, we're going down by 2 until we get to 2 PSI. For each PSI, we'll do 4 trials. Here we have my notebook for recording. Distance meter. And here you have, and I have a cardboard right here. This helps for the to have like a bigger target for the distance meter to shoot at. This is my first swing for 20 PSI. Now I reduced it to 18 PSI for my next trial. So I've just finished collecting the field data, and now I'm gonna go home and record this data onto my computer, but and draw a conclusion. But this data looks rather interesting right now. Now I've created a slideshow out of my results. I printed it, and I posted it on my board. It's called Traveling Soccer Ball. One thing I want to point out to you guys is my graph. So my hypothesis is proved right. As the PSI lowers, the average distance for each PSI lowers as it goes. I hope you learned something out of this. Thank you for watching.